Okay, what is up? Welcome to another software engineering concept about Python web frameworks right here on IO the General. In this video, we are going to look at Python web frameworks and what they are. So Python web frameworks are collections of packages that simplify web development by handling low-level details of web protocols, requests processing, and also database operations. These frameworks actually provide URL routing, request handling, database connection and ORM tools, security features and authentication, session and cookie management, template rendering, and HTML generation. By eliminating the need for low-level socket and thread code, framework lets developers focus on application logic instead of the infrastructure, enabling faster development of scalable web applications. So we are going to look at the most popular frameworks today and just know what they are so that we can check them out later. We have Django, which is a full stack framework with admin interface and robust security. This actually powers Instagram and Pinterest among 12,000 plus projects on the internet. We also have Flask, which is a lightweight micro framework offering flexibility and minimal setup. This is used by Fortune 500s like Netflix, LinkedIn for APIs and also custom applications. We also have FastAPI, which is modern high-performance framework for async support, customized for API development with automatic documentation. Other options will include Web2PY, which is a no-code admin, Table Gears, which is a component-based one, and then Pyramid, which is a scalable, and then also we have Bottle for single file applications. That's it for the popular web frameworks in Python and some of their examples and their features. If you need any more info, do ask us in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.